What is a business lull? I use this term a lot when I'm referring to the decrease in business or activity, like usually is the temporary gap at the end of a project before the next one starts. If you're running multiple projects, it's just that lull when not all of them are going at the same time. And it's very much par for the course in any business, but interior design is probably one where these gaps and the things that we're doing in those times kind of really matter. What we're doing during the lull moments makes a difference in how we understand our business. We figure out what is and isn't working and implementing slight changes that will impact our profitability, productivity, and empower us way differently when we experience these lulls, and we will, okay? And if we are just coping through it, hoping that there are no delays and, that nothing else changes that we're not foreseeing, we're not really using it the way that for the tool that it is, okay? So let's kind of dive in, and I'm going to kind of show you a few things that you can be doing immediately in these lulls.